Alright guys, today we got a problem with this Sportsman 500 Polaris not shutting off once it's running. The key is not shutting it off. I'll show you what I mean. So it's running, you go to shut it off, nothing happens. You have to go over here to the kill switch and actually shut it off. So we're gonna replace this. We have a new one. This Polaris has 993 hours on it. This is the new switch. That's the part number the guy bought for it. So we're gonna start by taking the screws out of this here. All right, so there, the switch is sitting right in there. We're gonna do this nut. And this should slide right out. And that just pops right off. Now we just have to make sure that this new switch is the exact match. Old and new. 6 pins each. Sure looks like an exact match. There's a little divot right there that lines up with the divot on the casing there. Alright, got it back together. Let's see what we have going on. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Sweet. Well guys, that's going to do it for today. I just had to switch out the ignition on this 2001 Polaris 500. So now it's all straightened up and I'm ready to rock and roll. So hope you got something out of this today, guys. If you did, think about subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.